Let's talk a little bit about the touchpad on your Chromebook. The touchpad is used to move the cursor around the screen, make selections, and interact with your Chromebook device. Learning how to use the touchpad can greatly improve your success with your Chromebook device. The simplest gesture is to use a single finger to move the cursor around the screen. Once you are on an item you want to select, a single tap of your finger will make that selection. You can also push a little harder on the touchpad to hear the click to make a selection. Another thing you may want to do on your Chromebook is to use the secondary click, sometimes called the right click on a Windows device. On a Chromebook, you can just tap with two fingers to initiate this gesture. If you prefer using the click feature instead of just tapping, you can hold down the Alt key while you click to secondary click. You can also use the touchpad to select groups of items or rows of text. You can do this multiple ways as well. One option is to click on one end of the selection, then hold down the Shift key and click the other end. Everything in between these two clicks will be selected. Another option is to hold your thumb to click the trackpad. Hold your thumb down while you use your index finger to move the cursor. This motion will also select multiple items. Just be careful you don't let go of your thumb before you have the cursor in the right place to end your selection. One last thing you can do with your touchpad is to use two fingers to pinch in or out to zoom the screen. This can be very helpful on a Chromebook where the website is using small text that is difficult to read. If any of these gestures are not working for you, check the Settings menu, which is the gear, when you click on the clock in the lower right corner. There you can verify the touchpad configuration under Device Settings is correct.